Welcome to this video on learning C programming using online C compiler. So today we are going to discuss about multiplication and division usage in C program. So using arithmetic operators, multiplication and division operators in C program. Okay, with very simple examples we will discuss. So first let us include stdio.h because when we use printf statement for printing the output on the monitor, we'll use printf statement. Okay, so that function is defined in the library called standard input output header file. So we need to include it. So now let's write a program to read a mark. Okay, so what's the aim of the program? Let's see now. Okay, so read a student mark scored out of 25 and convert into the mark out of 100. So for that what we have to do, if you get a mark of a student which is scored out of 25, by multiplying by 4 we'll get for out of 100. Okay, so now we are going to declare a variable for receiving the mark out of 25. Okay, so mark C program subject only, let's consider C program score out of 25 marks. Okay, so another variable C program score out of 100. Okay, so two variable we have declared. So in the first one we'll store how much mark the student has scored out of 25. Then we will convert that to the score out of 100, how much he has scored, and we will print how much he scored out of 100. Okay, so the C program score out of 25, let's consider the student has scored 18 out of 25 marks in a class test or the continuous internal test conducted in school or in college. Okay, so now we need to convert the student mark out of 100, how much he has scored. So for that what we need to do, C program score out of 25, out of 25 how much he got, that we multiply by 4. Okay, so we will get how much the student has got out of 100. So we need to multiply out of 25 how much the student got score and multiply by 4, we will get a score that we are storing in another variable called C program score out of 100. So this output, if you want to print, you can make use of printf statement. If you want to print it in a new line, /n you use, then student mark in test 1 out of 100. So this is simply we want to print it. Okay, %d, then C program score out of 100, that we want to print. That's a variable name. So %d we are giving within the printf double quote statement, so that will be printed. So what is the variable name we want to print, that we have to give it after comma. Okay, so now let's run this code. Okay, we have to write void main here. Okay, so now let's execute the code. Okay, so 18 if he has scored, when we multiply by 4, he'll be getting 72. Okay, so now let's see how will we get how will we use the um, division. Okay, so now let's see in the same program I'm going to use student mark out of 100. How much he got, we will store it and we will convert it to the score out of 25. That is another task. Okay, this is a second program we are going to see. Okay, so here out of 100, if the student has scored 90 marks, okay, now we want to convert that to 25. Okay, out of 100, if a student has scored 90 marks, out of 25, how much he scored in C program, we want to find out. Okay, so here how much he has scored out of 100. Okay, that mark we scored in a variable, right? That variable value divided by 4. Okay, so now what is the result we want to print? Out of 25, how much he has scored, we want to print. Okay, we want to find out using division operator. Okay, so C program score out of 25 we have calculated using dividing by 4. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, so 90 marks the student has scored out of 100. So when we divide that by 4, we got 22. Okay, so using division operator we got this result. Okay, so I hope you have learnt about the usage of multiplication and division operators in C program using this video. Thank you for watching this video.